In today's video, I'm going to teach you where the settings icon is in Yahoo Mail. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail website. If you're not already signed in, log in with your email address and password so you can access your inbox. Once you're signed in, you should see your usual Yahoo Mail home screen with your list of emails in the center. Now, the settings icon in Yahoo Mail is located in the upper right corner of the screen. This is the same general area where you usually find account-related options in many online services. Take a moment to look toward the top right side of the page. You'll see a few different icons, such as your profile or initials, possibly a help icon, and next to those, the settings icon. In Yahoo Mail, the settings icon usually looks like a small gear or cog. It's a circular shape with little teeth around the edge, similar to what you might see in other apps when you're looking for settings or preferences. Move your mouse to that gear icon in the upper right corner, but don't click just yet. Make sure your cursor is directly over the gear symbol so you know you've found the right one. Once you've confirmed you're hovering over the gear icon, go ahead and click on it. When you click this icon, a panel or menu will open on the right side of the screen, or a small drop-down will appear under the icon, depending on the current Yahoo Mail layout. This is your main access point for adjusting how your Yahoo Mail looks and behaves. From this settings panel, you can quickly change things like your theme, which controls the colors and background, or toggle options that affect how your inbox is displayed. You'll also usually see a link or button that says something like More Settings. If you need deeper configuration options, such as filters, security options, or mailbox behavior, you can click that link from within this same area. If you ever lose track of where to find settings again, just remember, look to the top right corner of your Yahoo Mail inbox, find the small gear icon, and click it. That one icon is your doorway to all of your Yahoo Mail customization and account options.